If you aren't familiar with the Control Center, you're missing out on one of the great features of your iPhone and iPad. The Control Center provides quick access to system features, shortcuts, and apps. Its default layout allows access to system toggles, screen mirroring, timers, and more. However, besides the default features, you can add many other shortcuts and features to the Control Center. If we haven't met, I'm Ellen from Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. The first thing I want to do is show you how to access the Control Center. To access this Control Center, you're going to swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen, and that's how you get into your Control Center. If you want to add controls, new controls, it's easy. What we're going to do now is we're going to open up the Settings app. So let's locate that. Once we open up the Settings app, we're going to scroll until we see Control Center. And here you'll have a couple of different sections. You'll have included controls, and then you'll have more controls that you have access to add. Above, you'll see two options, access within apps. If you toggle that toggle switch on, you'll be able to access the Control Center inside of any app. If you toggle that switch off, then you'll only be able to access it from your home screen or from the lock screen. If you toggle on the Show Home Controls, if you have any automations that use home controls, they'll show up in your Control Center. So I'll toggle that on, and then I'm going to swipe down from the upper right corner, and you'll see this section here in the middle that says Home. If I come out of the Control Center and I toggle that switch off and come back into it, now you'll see that those home controls are removed. So let's go back to the settings area, and you'll see that I've added several controls to the Control Center. But if I wanted to add one, I would just come down to where it says More Control, hit the plus sign, and then that automatically is going to be added to the Control Center at the bottom. So I added sound recognition. If I want to rearrange the controls, so you'll see that I can rearrange these controls. All I need to do, so right now you're seeing that the camera is first and then the flashlight. But if I wanted to rearrange them, I could just grab a control, move it, so I'm grabbing the handlebars on the side, slide it to the top, and now when I come back in, you'll see that Magnifier has been moved to the very first slot in the Control Center. So that's how to add controls. To remove a control, very simple, tap on the minus sign, tap Removed, and it will be added back down into where it says More Controls. Now let's talk about some of the control options that are available that I think are pretty cool that maybe you would want to add to your Control Center. What about enabling dark mode? So if you want a quick and easy way to enable dark mode, instead of having to go through the Settings app, access your Control Center, scroll down and take a look at your More Controls, tap the plus sign next to where it says dark mode. Now it's been added, and now if I want to quickly enable dark mode, all I need to do is swipe down from the upper right corner, locate dark mode in the Control Center, tap on it, and now you'll see that I've quickly enabled dark mode. If I want to get out of it, I can just tap it again, and now I'm back to light mode. We've always been able to use the Apple Watch to find your iPhone, but now if you're running iOS 17 or newer, you can also ping your Apple Watch from your phone. So if by chance you misplace your watch nearby and you want to locate it, come into the Control Center, locate the option, To ping my watch, tap on the plus sign to add it to the control center. Swipe down from the upper right corner, locate the ping my watch, tap on it, and it will ring on your watch and you'll be able to locate it quickly. The iPhone's camera app has a built-in QR code scanner, but it's a manual operation. You still have to tap the link from the QR code. The code control scanner changes that. Tap on the control, point your camera or phone at a QR code, and the link will automatically open. So to add this code scanner to your control center, again, we're inside the control center. Locate the code scanner, tap on the plus sign. Now it's been added. If we swipe down from the upper right corner, you'll see the code scanner. Tap on it to open your phone, locate the code that you want to scan, and it will immediately open that link. The Magnifier is another hidden gem of the iPhone. It became available as an app in iOS 15, but now using the control center, you can open a specialized camera interface that lets you quickly zoom in on your subject and up it to 10 times the zoom. So again, control center, locate the magnifier, tap on the plus sign, and now the magnifier has been added to your control center. If you want to record your screen, it's easy to do, and I use the screen recording all the time. It allows me to record videos for subscribers to show them how to do something on their iPhone or iPad. You can also record audio. So to do that, we're inside of the control center, and right here is the screen recording button. If I tap on it and hold it, you're going to see it pops up, and right now the microphone is off. If I want to record audio along with the video of the screen, I just turn that option on, and you'll see that it comes on, and now you'll see that it's going to put it into my Photos app. So I'm going to tap out of there. If I just tap on it, you'll see up in the dynamic island, a countdown begins, 3, 2, 1. And now you'll see a red dot. So I'm recording the screen as we speak. When I'm ready to stop, I can click into that dynamic island. I can tap on the stop button. And now that screen recording has been saved to my photos. If I tap on it, it'll let me view it. And it brings me right into the screen recording. And if I tapped on the volume here, the speaker option, you would hear the recording. But right now it's just playing through. But that's how easy it is to add screen recording to your control center to record your screen. Another favorite control of mine is the increased text for easier reading. I love this feature. Sometimes as a senior, I need larger text. The text size control allows you to increase the text within an app you are currently using or change the default text size on your iPhone. So I already have text size in my control center. So I'm going to swipe down from the upper right corner. And this is the increased text size control. I'm going to tap on it, and it's going to tell you settings only or all apps. So if I go to all apps, anytime I come into an app, so let me come outside and let's go in. We're here at this app. Let me swipe down, and I'm just going to increase the text size. And if I tap out of there, you'll see that it increased the text size of the settings app. I'll swipe down again. I'll tap on the double A's. I'll bring it back down a little bit, and I'll tap out, and you'll see that the text size has been made smaller. So this is a quick and easy way for you to increase text size or decrease text size within an app anywhere on your iPhone. If you want to quickly save battery life, low power mode helps push your battery to the limits if it's draining fast. It gives you handy access to the low power mode toggle without having to open the settings app. So you'll see in more controls an option for low power mode. Tap on that. It'll be added to the control center. Swipe down. Locate that option in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and it's automatically going to tell you what happens. Mail fetch, background app refresh, automatic downloads, and some visual effects are reduced or disabled in low power mode. If I tapped on continue, it would automatically take my phone into low power mode, and you would see in the upper right corner, the battery would be yellow. I'm going to go ahead and tap on cancel for now. Voice memos are incredibly useful, so you can add the voice memo right to the control center. So locate it in either more controls. I already have it in mine. You'll see it here, voice memos. Swipe down from the upper right corner, locate the voice memos app. It's right here. I'll tap on it, and immediately I can begin to record a voice memo. Utilizing the control center on your iPhone and iPad can significantly enhance your device experience, from enabling dark mode with a tap to accessing features like QR code scanning and voice recording. Customizing your control center can make your device more accessible and convenient for everyday use. Take advantage of these features to simplify tasks and make the most out of your device. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.